We recently sold our little house in the HOA subdivision and bought not only our dream home, but our dream property as well. This has been a childhood dream of mine to own a beautiful house in the woods. I'm so grateful it's coming true. It's been quite the journey to get to this place, and I'll never forget where I came from. When my oldest child was 2 months old, I was a single mother living on $50 a week, and I often walked to the food pantry in order to get by. I was dirt poor and depressed, and yet I still had a little flame burning inside me to do amazing things. This house is evidence of years of hard work from both myself and my husband. We have put in the hours, put in the blood, sweat, and tears to make our dreams a reality. We have trusted in God along the way, and He has provided. And although we have this gorgeous house in the woods like we always wanted, this is just the beginning. Hey, welcome to This Mama's House. Come on in. Welcome. If you are new, my name is Tabitha from thismamashouse.com. Today I am sharing with you my new house. It's completely empty right now, so I wanted to take you on a tour. We just got possession last night. First things first, in the new house, we're bringing you to show you around. So let's do it. When you first walk in, you're greeted by this gorgeous staircase. I love the two-tone wood, and it's an open staircase too, so it just allows a lot of light throughout. You can see these huge windows right when you walk into, and it's just so beautiful and welcoming. Right off the side here, this is an entrance to our garage, and we also have a coat closet, which we have never had a coat closet. And this is gonna be awesome for all the kids' jackets. I won't have to store them in the basement. I can actually hang them up. So that's really nice. And then the first door right here is our half bath. This is a powder room. I'm really excited to have this right here on the main level. When we're getting ready to leave, the kids can come in here and go potty right before we have to go, or guests. It's really big for a half bath. And I'm excited to do some fun decorating in there. And then you keep coming along this way, and over here we have a massive laundry room. I am so excited about this laundry room. I've never had a place to fold clothes, but this is like so much space. I've never even had cupboards in my laundry room, and this is just amazing. A huge utility sink, which would be great for laundry or art projects, washer and dryer. And then this is probably one of my favorite things about this house. It's a massive walk-in pantry. I have never had a pantry that you could walk into, and this is like enormous. You can put a bed in here and just go to sleep. So I'm really excited to fill this up with all of my food, and I'm gonna take you guys along with filling it up and organizing it. So make sure you subscribe. And then when you're coming out of the laundry room, you are greeted by our dining room. This is so fancy. I love it. We have these beautiful columns and the, what do you call this rack? Ceiling? Tray ceiling. I got it this time. Remember the last house tour when I didn't know what it was called? But we even have like speakers in here for music, and I can't wait to put our dining room table in here and have Thanksgiving. And the view is beautiful. It's just woods all around us. So this is really cool and so fancy. Can't believe it. This way is our living room. So if you come down these little stairs, we have a huge living room, and the windows in here are just amazing. I love the brick details with the fireplace, and then over here too, it just looks so pretty. And this is a real wood burning fireplace, so we'll be able to have warm, cozy fireplaces this winter. So excited to be able to like decorate the mantle and just do all the fun things. This is awesome. This will be kind of like my husband and I's area, more like a formal living room, because the kids have another area I'll have to show you in just a few minutes. So this huge picture window Gives you an amazing view of our backyard. We are completely surrounded by trees, just a little hidden place in the forest. We have a creek running through the backyard, and we actually purchased this property with a homestead in mind. So over the next few years, we're gonna be building it up to be kind of like a self-sustaining homestead, garden, chickens, all that fun stuff, and it's gonna be amazing to do it here in this beautiful property. Now right up this way is my new kitchen that I cannot wait to cook in. I'm gonna be making so many amazing cooking videos here. It is gorgeous. We have this huge center island with granite countertops. It has a little prep sink. I have 2 kitchen sinks. I've never had that. That is so cool. And all these fun little cupboards. The 2-tone cabinets are really, really pretty. I didn't know if I would like having the dark cabinets because right now we have a white kitchen and I love it, but just being here, I feel like this is so sophisticated looking. Right off the side here is a little breakfast nook area, but we're gonna be using this area for our dogs. We have a big dog and a little dog, and this will be a perfect spot for them because they can go out right this door, and it's a huge fenced in area, which we haven't had a fenced in yard for a really long time, and it just makes life so much easier with dogs. So they're gonna love exploring the woods out here. And then this masterpiece in our house, we have a beautiful, gorgeous spiral staircase leading up to a very special location, and you'll find out where that is, so stay tuned, keep watching. But I just can't believe this. This is like out of a fairy tale. Look at it, it's so pretty. Coming out of the kitchen, we're gonna go ahead downstairs. I think we're gonna go ahead downstairs. But first, let me talk about this little interesting thing here. I think this would be fun to put decor on top, but what's really weird, I haven't figured out what this is for. It's like a walk-through cubby right here. I'm not sure what it's for. If you think you know what this is meant for, let me know in the comments. But let's go downstairs and check out the fun area that we have for the kids. So now we are downstairs, and I love this little landing area. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with it, but if you come all the way down, there's a little closet here under the stairs, and I think this would be a really good spot to have like a toy rotation area. So I'm thinking this might be a little play spot for the kids. And then the first door here on the left, this is gonna be my oldest daughter's room. She is 12 years old, and this is gonna be a really fun spot for her. So it does have a door leading to the outside, which I think my husband said he was gonna switch this so you have to use a key to open it, just to keep things safe. But lots of closet space here. She's got this whole closet, 2 more closets here as well. And then the fun ceiling, it's just a really cool spot. Opening these beautiful glass panel doors, walk right into what's going to be our classroom. If you've been a follower of mine for a really long time, you'll know that we used to have a whole classroom, but since we moved into the house that we're in right now, we've been doing it at the dining room table. So it's gonna be so fun to have a classroom again for the kids to learn and to do all sorts of fun homeschool activities. Right off the classroom, we have a full bathroom. So this will be for my daughters as well as anybody that's just hanging out downstairs. And then over here is something I never thought that I would have in my life, but we now have. I can't believe it. It's a second kitchen, and I am so excited for this. This is gonna be amazing. Once we have a good garden going, I'll be able to use this kitchen to prep garden food. I can put my canner here on this gas stove. We're gonna put our refrigerator here. It's a full kitchen downstairs. This is amazing. Walking out of the second kitchen, you come to my next oldest daughter's room. She's 10, so she's gonna have her own room down here. The carpet is so cozy. and it's just really cool details on the ceiling. She's really excited to make this space her own. Then over here we have the kids' family room. This is where we're gonna have our TV and our comfy couch, and it steps down, which I think is really neat. And it just feels so awesome down here with this awesome ceiling. I don't know if this is cedar or what, but it's gorgeous. And there's just so much detail, woodwork throughout. All right, now we're gonna go all the way up to the top level to show you what's up there. Let's head upstairs. All right, we're upstairs. Let's go all the way down this hallway. So first of all, we have a linen closet here, which we'll be filling up with stuff, I'm sure. And then over here, we have two boys in this bedroom. A 7-year-old and a 5-year-old will sleep in here. This is such a cool room. It has LED lights, a built-in chalkboard, amazing views, and a huge walk-in closet. Connected to the boys' room is a bathroom, and this is actually a Jack and Jill bathroom. So 2 bedrooms connect to this central bathroom. We've got 2 sinks, lots of storage for the boys, and what's really cool is a separate shower and toilet area. So while somebody's brushing their teeth, somebody can be showering or using the bathroom. And there's even a closet in here. Come check it out. Whoa! This part of the bathroom right here is bigger than our kids' bathroom that we have currently. And it's like, it just keeps going. It's huge. So I'll take you over to the other bedroom that's connected. And this will be for the 2 youngest, our 2-year-old and our 8-month baby. So this is a really neat room too. It's got kind of like a lifted floor here. Great views again. And then their closet is a great size for them too. Awesome. So we'll go back out in the hallway and you'll kind of be able to see this door here is where you could enter the bathroom from the hallway if you wanted. So 3 entrances to get to that bathroom. And now this is where the magic happens. Ta-da! This is the master bedroom. It is massive. It is huge, tall ceilings with 2 skylights. I can't wait to look at the stars while lying in bed with my sweetie. It's windows all around, so amazing. And I'm sure you noticed we have a private deck off our master. This is actually called an airing deck or an airing balcony. I don't know, but it's fancy and I love it. So we can come out here with our coffee and look at the sights, listen to the birds. It's gonna be awesome. So excited. We even have a fireplace in our bedroom. Holy crap. This is a gas fireplace, so not sure how that works, but we'll figure it out. It's so cool. Like, oh, this is so amazing. I'm so excited. And that's not even it. We have a huge closet. This closet is huge. I mean, it's massive. This is more than I could ever need. Ryan's probably gonna take up the majority of the closet, but I'll take this little corner over here. It'll be perfect for me. And then over here is our ensuite master bathroom. Oh my gosh. You guys saw a sneak peek of this when we were house hunting, but here's our huge jacuzzi tub. It's so big. I can't wait to crawl in and take a bath with these beautiful wood views surrounding us. We have a huge walk-in shower that's tile with double shower heads. What? And then we have a little closet here to store all our things. And double sink. This was a must for my husband and I. Not that we can't share, but it was just something that we thought would be really cool to have our own separate area in the bathroom, lots of storage. And then we even have a little water closet. So you can poop in private. That is the master bedroom. So this is where this spiral staircase leads. Private staircase leading to the master. It's seriously just amazing. It's a dream come true. This is so cool. This spiral staircase is amazing. I am in love. I hope you love our house just as much as we do. I'm so excited to move in here and make this place our home. We're gonna have so many amazing memories, and I want to take you along for the ride. So make sure you're subscribed. There's a lot of videos coming up that you're gonna not wanna miss, moving vlogs and a lot of fun stuff here. So thanks for coming along and seeing our new house.